Hi folks, welcome to the video. My name is Wayne from livewebconsultant.com, and today I would like to give you a heads up about the upcoming PHP 5.6 rollout and show you a simple way that you can continue to use the older versions of PHP should your scripts or software not be compatible with the latest version. The latest version of PHP has been out for quite a while, but it is only now that the major hosting companies are finally making the switch to the latest release and discontinuing support for older versions of PHP. So what does that mean for you and your website? Well, over the next few weeks you could find your hosting company notifying you about upgrades to PHP that will be taking place on your web server. These types of emails will also include a statement or two that will request you check your PHP scripts and software to ensure that it is compatible with the latest version of PHP. Now this can sound a bit daunting to those who are not too familiar with PHP coding, but the good news is that the new version of PHP is backwards compatible, which means that it should work with nearly all scripts and software coded in PHP 5. Now that's good news for anyone who owns a WordPress website. Over here you can see the php.net website, and if you go out here, navigate through to the manual and to the appendices, you can find out everything you need to know about migrating from PHP 5 to PHP 6. You can also find out about the backward incompatible changes, new features, deprecated features in PHP 5.6, changed functions and new functions, OpenSSL changes, global constants, and other changes to extensions. Now one thing to bear in mind is that if you are running custom coded scripts or software coded with older versions of PHP, you may find that your site will experience errors once your hosting company has upgraded the PHP on your web server. Now if this were to occur with your website, you will need to make the necessary adjustments to your PHP code to get your site functioning again. Now if your website goes down and you are not an expert with PHP, there is a simple way to get the site back up and running again, while you make the necessary changes to your code or find the right programmer to help you with that. The way to do this is actually quite simple. What you're going to have to do is go out to your control panel, and if you were to scroll down on the control panel homepage, you will see the Select PHP version, which appears under the Software and Services section of the page. Click on the Select PHP version, and you should be taken to a page where you will be able to switch to different PHP versions. Now over here you can see that this particular website is using PHP version 5.2, okay, and you'll see that if you click the drop down you have a list of different versions that you may select. Now let's assume that the software that you have on your website only works with version 4.4. All you've got to do is select it from the list, and down here you will have the ability to add the different settings. Simply tick the settings that you require and click on the save button. And that's all there is to it. This is a simple way to get your website back online should your scripts and software not be compatible with the latest version of PHP. Now the Select PHP version component may not be available with all web hosting services, so if you log into your control panel and you do not see it there, simply get in touch with your host support team and inquire about enabling this service on your account. So that's all for this video. I hope that you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them in the comments section below. Once again, this is Wayne from livewebconsultant.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.